What if I told you that you are absolutely cleaning your closet wrong? Like you have been trying to declutter the same little closet in your house for the past 2 or 3 years, and you seem to never either get rid of the things that needs to be gone, or you just end up accumulating clothes that you never wear, and you're tired of hearing that. Like, are you tired of having a closet full of clothes and nothing to wear? Like, I'm so tired of hearing that as well. The truth is, no one is really telling you the thought process to helping you clean out your closet. And so I am going to give it to you straight. Hey, I'm Autumn Love, personal stylist and fashion editor of autumnlove.com, where I have helped more than 3 million women, yes, 3 million women make better shopping decisions, find their personal style, and show up as the best version of themselves. So I'm going to share with you these tips that I've learned in over 10 years, okay? It took me 10 years to get this information. So the first thing you need to do when it comes to decluttering and cleaning out this closet is to sit down and really think about where you are going in life, right? You want to sit down and think about, okay, does the clothes in my closet reflect the future version of myself? Whether you're trying to date, whether you're trying to get a new job, whether you're trying to get more speaking engagements or press features, or maybe you just want to feel good when you're walking down the street, right? So you want to think about, does the clothes in my closet actually reflect that, right? And this is where you're going to create style goals. Style goals go hand in hand with your vision board. As we just said, let's say you want to start dating. Okay, that's on your vision board. So your style goal would be, okay, I actually need to look presentable when I'm going to the coffee shop, when I'm taking my kids to school, when I'm just going to the bookstore, heck, when I'm going to the grocery store, because there is no right or wrong way to meet your future spouse or future boyfriend, whatever you're trying to do, okay? So you want to show up for that. I always think about the time after I gave birth to my son. I was going through this postpartum phase, and autumnlove.com was actually growing, right? So whenever someone will ask me, what do you do for a living? And I'm like, I'm a fashion editor. But then I had on sweatpants and a stretchy neck graphic tee. I felt like I think I had a bit of imposter syndrome. So what did I do? I made it a habit to actually put myself together. So when I go out to places and I tell them I'm a fashion editor, I do XYZ, I not only look the part, but I feel the part. And so in return, did I get rid of sweatpants? Kind of. I found elevated sweatpants that have like a wide leg feature where I can wear them with tennis shoes, or I can wear them with like Uggs, or I can wear them with ankle boots and still look somewhat presentable, right? So you want to really make sure that the clothes in your closet reflect where you are going. Now, here's the thing. A lot of people say get rid of things that you haven't worn in 2 to 3 months, which I kind of agree, but also I don't agree, because I feel like you should have aspirational pieces, right? So now you have your everyday pieces, which I'm going to get into, but you should also have your aspirational pieces. Date nights. You want to have something in that closet for when you have a spontaneous date night. Let's say where I live, there is a lot of filming that often happens, and you could actually be an extra if you're just walking down the street. Well, dang it, I want to look the part, even if I'm just going for my morning coffee. Heck, they're filming a Hulu series. Let me at least look somewhat presentable. You really never know, right? So I want to talk about auditing your lifestyle. I talk about this so much, but I almost feel like I scream this, because you want to think about what you do Monday through Friday. Doesn't matter. Maybe you have to wear a uniform to work. Okay. Maybe you work out. Okay. Maybe you work at home and you sit on the computer all day. But maybe you do have a corporate job that requires you to look presentable, and you're tired of wearing the same boxy, oversized blazer and pants, right? So you want to build a wardrobe that accommodates that. For example, if you work at a job where you have to wear a uniform, then guess what? You want to begin to, let's say on weekends, right? That's your free time. You don't want to wear a uniform. You want to go out, but then you have so many uniforms. Now you don't know what to wear. So you want to find those weekend pieces that work for whatever the occasion. The last thing I'm going to tell you guys to do is to begin, when you're cleaning out your closet, create a spreadsheet. I created a wardrobe inventory spreadsheet. We have a free version, we have a paid version, and this is a bestseller. What I like about the spreadsheet is that when you put the items inside, it literally maps out what your style is. Is your style casual, sporty, glamorous? It maps out like the colors, your color palette. It really gives you data into your closet so you can see like, okay, I have way more glamorous clothing items and I just work from home and I work out. Now wonder why I'm in the same outfits every day, because I don't have anything to accommodate that. Okay, I really hope this video was helpful. I had to make it as short as I possibly could, but if you are interested in our free wardrobe inventory spreadsheet, make sure you download it and give it a try. We also have our closet cleanse workbook, which is also free. I'm just trying to help you look the best in 2026.
Bye.